I got nerve problems in my arm and leg, so this is not easy. Isn't that beautiful? Getting this fucking thing going, man, I'm telling you. See? No problem. No problem. Fuck's sake. Still, get your fucking head in the ass. But she started pretty good. Marvelous. Really, really good. I mean, who don't want to spend, you know, half a heart attack trying to get a chainsaw going? Wow. But when this thing is going, you can cut, like I said, you can cut all day, every day. And you can come back, start her up when she's warm, and she's good to go. She's, you know, not going to give you a lot of trouble. I've talked to people with the same, and they said the same thing, that they love the saw except for when the time comes to get it started. I tell you. Oh, but hey, the other